Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products. In today's video, I'm going to test the new reformulated Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. It's what I'm wearing on my skin right now. I'm going to test it for the first time today. Compare it with the original formula. And I also do a wear test on my acne textured oily skin. So if you're curious about this new reformulated version and you want to find out more, then keep on watching. Okay, bad news everybody. The Armani Luminous Silk Foundation we all love has been reformulated for the first time in 25 years. The classic version was even discontinued, this one, and replaced by this new formula. So in today's video, I'm going to test the new and reformulated Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Let's see if this is as good as the old formula. I'll show you the packaging, the texture, and how it looks on my skin. And I'm also going to do a wear test on my acne textured oily skin to see if it's long lasting. So let's get started. This is what the packaging looks like. Original and new. Original and new. So this is the new reformulated Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Natural Glow Blurring Liquid Foundation with 24-hour wear. It is a silky, non-comedogenic liquid foundation that blurs and smooths skin, provides 24-hour wear plus hydration, medium coverage, and a natural glow finish. Formulated with niacinamide, it's transfer resistant and clinically shown to even tone, refine texture, and boost luminosity after 14 days of wear. Luminous Silk Foundation now better than ever. Same silky texture, 24-hour wear, and natural glow finish. Now with 44 shades, 26 original plus 18 new. Servicing more skin intensities and undertones, including olive. Enriched with niacinamide and it's non-comedogenic. Okay, I love that it's non-comedogenic. And it was made in France and has 12 months shelf life. I also have the original Luminous Silk Foundation right here. So here is the original version and here is the new and reformulated version. Original and new. The cap looks the same, but the bottle on the original foundation is matte. And we can see better the color on the new foundation, because this is not matte. I have these two foundations in the same shade, in number 2. Let's see if the shade is the same. Here is the original. New and original. Here is the new reformulated foundation, and here is the original foundation, both in the same shade, in number 2. The new foundation looks a little bit warmer, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. This one is also scented, so keep that in mind. Now let's try this foundation on my skin. I'm not going to apply these side by side because this one is very old and expired. I'm going to apply it on one side of my face using my beauty blender and on the other side using a foundation brush to see which method works better. So let's get started. This will be the beauty blender side. It's very runny. It dries down fast, so you have to blend it fast. But, oh my god, the finish is gorgeous. So this is how my skin looks with and without this new Armani Luminous Silk Foundation on. It looks very smooth on my textured areas, and my skin looks very good up close. But I don't know what to say about the shade. I feel like it looks warmer on my skin, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Now let's see how is the finish with a foundation brush on this side. I'm going to use one pump on this side too. And this is how my acne textured oily skin looks with this new Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Sponge application and brush application. The finish is pretty on both sides, but on my acne textured oily skin, I like the finish with the Beauty Blender more, because the Beauty Blender press the foundation better into the skin. But you can apply the foundation using a brush or a Beauty Blender. I love the lightweight, silky texture. It feels very comfortable on the skin. I feel like it gives a nice natural glow to the skin. Not too dewy, not too matte. The coverage is light to medium. I feel like I have enough coverage on my skin right now. And it looks very smooth on my textured areas so far. I also feel like my pores are blurred. For now, I'm very impressed, but I want to see how all of the other makeup products will look on top of this foundation. So I'll leave this foundation for now, and I'll give you my fine impressions at the end of the video after I finish my makeup. And of course, after I do the full day wear test. For my makeup next, I'm going to use some of my favorite makeup products to have a fair test for this new foundation. I've used these makeup products before on my channel, and I have a first impressions video for everything, but I also list them down below. For my concealer, I'm going to use this Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. I also use it as my eyeshadow base. And I'm going to set everything in place with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in a cherry blossom cake. I'm going to set this side of my face first to see how the foundation looks with and without the powder on. And this is how the foundation looks with and without the powder on. I love the matte finish. I also love this side. I have to apply powder because I have oily skin, but the foundation looks gorgeous with and without the powder on. Now let's apply it on this side too. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Givenchy Prisme Libre bronzer powder. I'm also going to use it on the eyes too. For blush, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Blush Filter Palette in baby pink. From this palette, I love just this blush color. And for highlighter, my favorite by Dior, this Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette in Universal. And this is how my skin looks so far, with all of the other makeup products on. Everything went very nicely on top of the foundation. I don't see any marks or weird patches on. So the powders blends very nicely on top of the foundation. I'm going to quickly finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be right back to give you my first initial impressions for this foundation before the wear test. I'm back, and this is the finished makeup result. I love makeup, but I would love to know your opinion, so let me know in the comments if you like the finished makeup result. Now, 5 impressions for my new foundation, this new reformulated Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. My skin looks very good up close. I really like the foundation. I don't like heavy cakey foundations. And what I like about this foundation is the very nice and natural finish. So for now, I love the finish, but I'm very curious to see how it actually wears. Tomorrow, I'm going to do the wear test for this foundation, because now it's pretty late. So if you're curious to see how this foundation lasts, if it separates, and how it looks at the end of the day on acne textured oily skin, just keep on watching. Good morning. I'm about to go to work, and this is my makeup of the day. This is how my skin looks with this new Armani Luminous Skin Foundation on. Now it's looking very good on my skin, so hopefully this is long lasting. This one is supposed to last on the skin for 24 hours, but I plan to wear it today for more than 12 hours. Now it's 8 AM in the morning, so if you're curious to see if this foundation is long lasting on acne textured oily skin, just keep on watching. Hi again. It's the end of the day, and this is how my skin looks after 13 hours with this foundation on. I don't like to touch up my makeup throughout the day, so this is how the foundation looks at the end of the day. Today I was at work, I was at the gym, and outside in the snow, because it's snowing outside. So I would say this foundation looks pretty good after 13 hours on my acne textured oily skin. So 5 impressions. I really like this foundation. It was very comfortable on the skin today. It's not heavy, cakey, and looks very natural on the skin. I really like this foundation and I'm excited to use it again. So I'll use this one more and I'll keep you updated about it in my upcoming videos. Let's see what happens if I use a little bit of powder. If you like to touch up your makeup throughout the day, you can make this foundation look fresh again with a little bit of setting powder. But guys, let me know what you think about this new reformulated foundation. Let me know if you have it and if you like it. And let me know what other makeup products would you like to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this was helpful and I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest makeup reviews. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!